Hi friends, welcome to Yuvaguru Maths Olympiad videos. We have theory and practical, two types of video lectures. In theory we cover the concepts and in practical we cover the examples. Both the theory and practical together are useful for CBSE, ICSE, various state boards across India and outside India as well. Anyone who wants to understand maths better needs to download this Yuvaguru Maths Olympiad app. Let's focus on today's topic now. We are in coordinate geometry, video number 55, section C, achiever, toughest one. Okay, let's start. Following figure is a regular pentagon. This is a regular pentagon. Regular means what? All sides are equal. Area is 45 by 2. Area is 45 by 2. This is the total area. And these coordinates are already given. See, this figure would be given to you in exam. Find T. You have to find this T. Okay. So, what is the area of pentagon ABCDE? Area of triangle EAB plus area of triangle EBC plus area of triangle EDC, right? These three areas, if you add it, you will get it pentagon. So let's find out each one. EAB equals to 1 upon 2 into, see this formula. We have done it in video number 52, 53, 54. Okay, follow that. X1 into, see this is X1, then minus 3, this is X2 and this is this is X2 and this is X3. Okay, okay, 1 2 3, all X2 Y2 X3 Y3 and this is X1 Y1. So let's start. 1 upon 2 into X1 into, remember this now, X1 into Y2 minus Y3, where there is X, there is no X inside, and follow the sequence 1 2 3 plus X2 into Y3 minus Y1 2 3 1 plus X3 into Y1 minus Y2. Okay, 3 1 2. Okay, now solve this. So it becomes, it comes out over here. So 1 upon 2 into minus 4 plus 5 plus t, minus t minus 2t plus 6 for EAB. So you get 1 upon 2 into 7 minus 3t. EAB you got it. So this is EAB. Similarly EBC, same formula. X1 into, now you use what is X1, what is X2 and what is X3. See this 2t 1 1, then 5 over here, so 2 2 and 3 3. Okay, so X1 into Y2 minus Y3 plus X2 into Y3 minus Y1 plus X3 into Y1 minus Y2. Solve this, you will get 1 upon 2 into 29 minus t. Okay, this is for EBC. Now EDC, see this EDC, again the same logic. 1, now 2 is what? 2 over here and this is 3, means X1 Y1 X2 Y2 X3 Y3. So use this formula, 1 upon 2 into X1 into Y2 minus Y3 plus X2 into Y3 minus Y1 plus X3 into Y1 minus Y2. Solve this. 1 upon 2 into 2 plus 6 plus 3t. Solve this. You try it yourself because it's easy. That's why I'm not wasting our time. So 1 upon 2 into, add this 8 plus 3t upon 2. So now you got EDC also. Now you got the areas of all these three triangles in terms of t. So add them. So area of pentagon ABCDE equals to EAC, the 7 minus 3t, plus EBC 29 minus t, plus EDC 8 plus 3t upon 2. See this upon 2 over here, all have upon 2, so take upon 2 common. So it is, but we know ABCD area 45 by 2, so 2 2 goes, so 45 equals to 44 minus t. So 45 equals to 44 minus t, so t becomes 44, 44 minus 45 minus 1, so coordinate on this t is minus 1. Okay, if A22, B44 and C26 are vertices of a triangle ABC and DEF are the midpoints of AB, BC and AC respectively, then find the area of triangle ABC, DEF and ratio of the area of DEF to ABC. Once you find out 1 and 2, third is easy. Okay, so how to find out? See this, it's given, the points are given DEF. D is the midpoint of AB, E is the midpoint of BC and F is the midpoint of AC, and you know the coordinates of A, B and C. So what have we to find out? Areas. Okay, what is the formula for areas in terms of coordinates? 1 upon 2 into, just now we saw it, x2 into y2 minus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, right? Solve this for ABC now. Just find out the area of ABC. So area of ABC you get it over here by solving minus 4 plus 16 minus 4 over here. So it becomes 8 upon 2, that is 4 square units. ABC is 4. Now find out DEF. How to find out DEF? See, ABC total is 4, right? Now DEF I found out using these coordinates of D, F and E. I have got those coordinates and then found out. But there is a simpler way out. Don't do, you can totally neglect and ignore what I have done over here. Say this, 4 areas 1, 2, 3, 4 and total is 4. So each one would be 1, 1, 1, 1. So DEF would be definitely 1, right? No need to waste the time which I have wasted over here in these videos. Let's see. See this, I found out the coordinates of D, E, F using the midpoint formula. Plus 4 upon 2, then 2 plus 4 upon 2, then again V's coordinates of E, 4 plus 2 upon 2. Okay, so no need of doing all this D, E, F coordinates, then find out the area, it's 1 square unit. When you can definitely see from the triangle itself, all are equal and 1, 1, 1 each. So that's it, 1 and 2 answers you got. Now third question was, the coordinates of a center of a circle passing through 1, 1, 2, 3 minus 4 and 5 minus 6 are. So basically this circle passes through these 3 points and you have to find out the coordinates. Okay. What is the basic rule of circle? A radius is always equal, right? So OA equals to OB equals to OC. Simple. So OA equals to OB. Use this first. So OA square equals to OB square, right? So what is OA square? X minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equals to OB square x minus 3 the whole square plus y plus 4 the whole square, right? Solve this. X square y square goes off. What remains? 4x minus 12y equals to 20. Equation number 1. OA, OB you have used it. Now you can use OA equals to OC or OB equals to OC, anything. We require 2 equations. Why? Because 2 variables, 2 equations that can be solved. So again OA equals to OC, OA square equals to OC square, x minus 1 the whole square plus y minus 2 the whole square equals to x minus 5 the whole square plus y plus 6 the whole square. Solve this, a plus b the whole square using this formula, or a minus b the whole square, whatever it is. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Solve this and you will get this answer. 8x minus 16y equals to 56. Solve it for 8. X minus 2y equals to 7. Equation number 2. Now 1 and 2 you have got it. Solve this 1 and 2. So 2 multiplied by 6. What do you get? 6x minus 12y equals to 42. Now 2 and 3. So 1 minus 3 now. Okay. So you get minus 2x equals to 22 minus 22. X equals to 11. X equals to 11. Then put this x equals to 11 in any of the equations. I have put it in 2. So 11 minus 2y equals to 7. 2y equals to 4, blah blah blah, y equals to 2. Okay. So you got the coordinates of O, that is center, 11, 2. That is the required answer. Download Yuva Guru Maths Olympiad app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. These video lectures contain theory and practical, 2 types of video lectures. In theory we cover the concepts and in practical we cover the examples. Both the theory and practical together are useful for CBSE, ICSE, various state boards across India and outside India as well. Anyone who wants to understand maths better needs to download this Yuva Guru Maths Olympiad app. Follow us on Facebook on this link, WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.